Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about subtraction using 10 frames. As you remember, subtraction is taking away. So you're not putting together like we did last time with adding. So let's see what we have so far. Right now we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 monsters. This time we're going to take away 2 monsters. So let's do that. Take away 2, 1, 2. And then we can see that we have 1, 2, 3 monsters left. So we can say that if you start with 5 monsters and you take 2 away, you get 3 left over. All right, here's another question. What do we start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if we start with 8, and let's take away 3 this time, what are we going to end up with? So we'll take these 3 away. 1, 2, 3. And we can see now that we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left over. So our 10 frame subtraction is 8 take away 3 equals 5. All right, this time we have 10 monsters. 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And if we take 2 away, what will be left over? Let's see. 1, 2. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left over. So 10 take away 2 equals 8. So as you can see, if you start with a 10 frame and you put the beginning number in the frame and take away, move out the other 2 numbers, you can find the answer because it's already laid out for you and it's easier to count this way, knowing that the whole thing equals 10. All right, this time we've started with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, take away, let's do 3 equals, so let's take 3 away, 1, 2, 3. Oh, we are only left with 1 this time. But it's easy to see because they're in the frame. So we say that 4 take away 3 equals 1. All right, everyone, it is now your turn to go and practice subtraction using your 10 frames.